How to schedule your emails in Gmail. Firstly, on your PC, go to mail.google.com. Now you will land to the Gmail app. In the top left corner, click on the Compose option. Now a pop-up message like this will open. Now a pop-up new message menu will open. Here you can write your message. I'm just gonna write something random. To enable the schedule feature, you will need to specify whom you are trying to send the message to. At the bottom, you will see the send option, and right next to the send button, you will see a drop-down icon. Now select the schedule send option. After that, you will see a time template like this. You can select time from here, or you can select pick date and time. Now you can customize the date and time. For example, I'm just gonna set the date to June 24. After that, I'm gonna select the time to 2 a.m. So now this message will get delivered on June 24, 2025 at 2 a.m. So by this very simple way, you can also schedule your emails on Gmail.